welcome to this transformative journey into garden therapy for personal wellness. In this comprehensive course, we embark on a unique exploration of the profound healing and wellness benefits that can be cultivated through the simple act of gardening, both for ourselves and our communities. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or new to the world of horticulture, prepare to be inspired as we delve into the therapeutic potential inherent in plants and nature. As you embark on this journey of growth and self-discovery, I encourage you to approach each lesson with an open mind and a curious heart. Take the time to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, to connect with the natural rhythms of the seasons, and to cultivate a deeper understanding of yourself through the art of gardening. In this course, we will explore a variety of different topics, from therapeutic, cognitive, and social effects to mobility and fitness and nutrition, as well as how this practice affects sustainability and environmental wellness. Welcome to Garden Therapy. Let us embark on this journey together as we cultivate wellness in our lives and communities.